Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Learn. In 2026, data is no longer just a tech skill. It has become a career advantage. Every company today is using data to understand customers, improve products, reduce the cost, predict trends, and make faster business decisions. That is why roles like data analyst, data scientist, and business intelligence and also AI-powered analytics specialist are becoming some of the most in-demand career options across industries. There are too many courses online and not every course is built with the same career goal. Some are good for beginners, some are better for working professionals, and some are designed for people who want to move into advanced AI and data science roles. In today's video, we are going to look up the top 5 courses that help you build the right skills, work on real-world projects, and move closer in high-growing career in data. Let's get started. First up in our list is the Applied Data Science with Python course. Python is the undisputed leader for building AI-driven models, favored for its massive ecosystem of libraries. This course is perfect for anyone looking to build a strong foundation in programming and analytics. It features over 60 hours of blended learning and interactive learning with Jupyter Notebook Labs. You'll dive deep into data wrangling, data visualization, web scraping, and machine learning using packages like scikit-learn. By the end of this course, you will be completing an end-to-end project where you can clean raw data with pandas, test hypotheses with SciPy, and visualize your final results. It's highly practical, fast-paced way to master the core language of data. This course is best for students, beginners, and early career professionals who want to build strong foundation in Python, data analysis, and machine learning. Course number 2 kicks things up a notch. The Data Science course. Top AI-powered Data Science Masters program. This is an 11-month intensive program delivered in collaboration with Microsoft Azure. What makes this program special is its heavy integration of cutting-edge AI. You won't just learn Python or SQL, you will learn how to strengthen your expertise in generative AI, large language models, retrieved augmented generations, and also Envelope. You'll also build a massive portfolio by completing over 15 real-world projects and a capstone from 3 different domains. Plus a massive resume booster, you will earn an industry-recognized master's certificate alongside official Microsoft course completion certificates. If your goal is to become a fully-fledged AI data scientist, this is the path. This program is best for working professionals, engineers, analysts, and tech learners who want to move into advanced data science, AI, generative AI, and machine learning roles. Moving on to course number 3, we have Data Analyst course in India with certification. While data scientists build predictive models, data analysts focus on extracting meaningful insights from massive data sets to drive immediate business decisions. This is another 11-month master's program backed by Microsoft. You will master advanced analytical tools including SQL, R, Python, Tableau, and Power BI. You'll complete over 20 industry-relevant projects, giving you hands-on experience in statistical analysis and predictive modeling. Whether you're a fresh graduate or a professional from a non-technical background looking to transition into a tech role, this course gets you job ready for business intelligence and data analytics role. Our 4th course brings elite academic rigor to the table. The Professional Certificate course in Data Analytics and Generative AI. In this 11-month program stands out because you get to attend live interactive masterclasses delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty. The curriculum blends traditional data tools like SQL, Excel, and Tableau with a dedicated focus on generative AI and prompt engineering. You will literally learn how to use AI to generate synthetic data, enhance visualization, and optimize your data pipelines. Crucially, it also features a dedicated module on data ethics, teaching you how to navigate privacy laws like GDPR and mitigate algorithm biases, which is becoming a mandatory skill in 2026. This program is best for professionals and graduates who want an IIT-backed learning experience with a strong mix of data analytics, generative AI, prompt engineering, and data ethics. Finally, course number 5 is the Professional Certificate program in Data Analytics, Generative AI, and Adaptive Systems. This is an accelerated 8-month program that punches the boundary of the standard analytics. Aside from teaching you Python, R, and Power BI, this course dives into future of AI with exclusive industry masterclass on agentic AI and adaptive systems. You'll learn how to design autonomous AI agents that can gather and process data on their own to create self-driving analytics. To top it off all, this program includes a massive real-world perk, a 2-day campus immersion experience at IIT Delhi. You get to network, learn from the top myths, and earn a prestigious certification. This course is best for professionals, tech learners, and AI enthusiasts who want to explore advanced analytics, agentic AI, adaptive systems, and future-focused data roles. So these are the top 5 courses you can consider if you want to build a strong career in data in 2026. The best part is you do not need to choose a course just because it sounds popular. Choose it based on your goal. If you're a beginner, start with Python and analytics fundamentals. If you want to become a job-ready data analyst, focus on SQL, Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and business analytics. And if you want to move into a future of data careers, look for programs that include generative AI, machine learning, envelopes, and also real-world projects. The data industry is growing fast, but the people who grow with it will be the ones who are keep learning and building practical skills. You can find the links to all the courses in the description box below. And tell us in the comments which data analytics course would you choose for your career. Like this video, subscribe to Simply Learn, and I'll see you in the next one.